How do you change a wax guard on a GN Resound hearing aid? Doesn't matter what type of hearing aid you have from that GN Resound company, they all use the same wax trap. It's called a Cerustop. Come in packages like this of 8. On the end of a stick here, they have a brand new wax trap. The opposite end is a tool to remove the old wax trap. So if I'm going to change them here, you just push the side that doesn't have the wax trap into the old one. It will connect onto that hearing aid. When you pull out that stick, that wax trap is removed from the hearing aid, and then you just flip this around in your hand and you can insert the new one and it will stay there. Same thing here with the receiver in the canal hearing aid. So this is a piece that goes behind your ear, but you still have the custom fit mold that goes down inside of your ear canal. So same thing here. I'm going to use the side that doesn't have the wax trap on it. Just push it directly in. You can pull it out, flip that stick around, and push that new one in. Or if you have this most popular style, it would be the receiver in the canal with this dome on the end. To remove the dome to get to the wax trap, you just take one of the sides and peel it back here, and that dome will pop off of there. And you can pull out another one of your wax trap sticks here and push that little wax trap down inside. It will connect on just as we did with the other ones. Pull that old filter out of there, flip it around, and push that new one in. And it should stay there if you push hard enough. Sometimes it's a little tricky, so if it doesn't go, try again, or try a brand new stick if it doesn't stay. And then you push that dome on there just as it came off, and you're good for another couple of weeks until the wax trap plugs up again.